Hello and welcome back to Nutty here. Today we are doing a part 2 to the 3-ingredient Nutella brownie recipe. If you want to check out part 1, please see below. We are using milk, flour, and Nutella today. The reason I'm using milk is because I received a comment below that said that using milk would make the mixture easier to mix and it would taste better. 1000% true. You'll see in a second that the mixing went smoothly. It came out almost like brownie batter, which, you know, these are 3 ingredients, so it's not exactly a brownie. So for it to have that brownie consistency, excellent. And then the taste, it tasted much better than the original ones in part 1. Like, these brownies would have gotten a perfect score. It was easy to make, easy to mix, it tasted good, and I think I would even go out of my way, based on how these tasted, to go buy Nutella again to make them again. Also, I put in a little too much milk, but it's fine. They came out good. These didn't even last a full 6 hours in the house. You should make them.